Looking for the best Klipsch floor-standing speakers in 2026? In this video, we review the top Klipsch tower speakers that deliver powerful bass, crystal-clear vocals, and immersive home theater performance. Whether you're upgrading your music setup or building a cinematic surround system, we break down sound quality, design, features, and value to help you choose the perfect Klipsch speaker for your home. Let's get started. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference R-26FA Dolby Atmos floor-standing speaker and R-12SW subwoofer bundle is a powerful home theater package designed to deliver immersive surround sound and deep cinematic bass. This bundle includes a pair of R-26FA Dolby Atmos floor-standing speakers and the R-12SW 12-inch powered subwoofer, creating a dynamic audio system for movies, music, and gaming. One of the standout features of the R-26FA towers is the built-in upward-firing Dolby Atmos elevation channel. Instead of installing ceiling speakers, the Atmos drivers reflect sound off the ceiling to produce a three-dimensional overhead audio effect. Combined with the 90 degrees by 90 degrees Tractrix horn and 1-inch aluminum LTS tweeter, the speakers deliver crisp highs, precise imaging, and clear dialogue. Each tower also features dual 6.5-inch copper-spun IMG woofers, providing strong mid-bass and clean low-frequency response down to about 38 Hz. To add even more impact, the included R-12SW subwoofer uses a 12-inch front-firing driver powered by 400-watt digital amplifier, producing powerful bass that enhances action scenes and music. Setup is flexible thanks to LFE and RCA inputs, phase control, and low-pass crossover adjustments, while the towers support bi-amping and bi-wiring. The black brushed polymer veneer cabinets with removable grills also give the system a sleek, modern look. Users praise this bundle for its excellent value and strong performance. One reviewer highlighted the impressive sound quality and powerful subwoofer for the price, while another noted that the speakers can easily fill a room with loud, detailed audio when paired with a capable receiver. Overall, it's a fantastic entry into Dolby Atmos home theater. Number 2. The Klipsch RP-6000F II floor-standing speakers are a powerful and stylish addition to any home theater or music listening setup. Sold as a pair, these tower speakers deliver up to 400 watts of maximum output, providing room-filling sound with impressive clarity and dynamic performance. Designed as part of the Reference Premier 2 series, they combine modern engineering with Klipsch's signature high-efficiency audio technology. A standout feature is the 90 degrees by 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn, which improves high-frequency distribution across the room. This design ensures that listeners experience crisp, clear sound even when sitting off-axis. The 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter further enhances detail while minimizing distortion, making vocals, instruments, and dialogue sound clean and natural. The speakers also feature dual 6.5-inch cerametallic woofers, which have been redesigned for smoother response, improved efficiency, and deeper bass performance. Whether you're watching action movies or listening to music, these woofers deliver punchy lows and balanced mid-range tones. Another highlight is the refined Dolby Atmos connections hidden on the back of the speakers, allowing easy integration with Atmos modules while keeping cables neat and organized. User feedback has been extremely positive. One reviewer praised the beautiful design, walnut finish option, and premium build quality, noting that the speakers perform equally well for music and movies. Another user upgrading from soundbar reported dramatically clearer dialogue and improved detail in films, saying even subtle sounds became noticeable. Overall, the RP-6000F II offers premium performance for serious home audio fans. Number 1. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F II floor-standing speakers are designed for serious home audio enthusiasts who want powerful sound and premium build quality. This 2.0 floor-standing speaker pair delivers impressive performance for both music listening and home theater setups. With a maximum output power of 400 watts and a deep frequency response down to 20 Hz, these speakers provide room-filling sound with strong bass and crisp highs. One of the standout features is the larger 90 degrees by 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn, which improves sound dispersion and helps create a wider, more immersive soundstage. Paired with Klipsch's signature 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter, the speakers produce clear, detailed highs while minimizing distortion. The updated 8-inch cerametallic woofers deliver powerful, accurate bass with excellent efficiency, making explosions in movies and bass-heavy music feel dynamic and controlled. The RP-8000F II also includes dual input terminals for by wiring or by amping, allowing advanced users to separate high and low frequencies for even cleaner audio performance. The elegant ebony finish adds a premium look that fits beautifully into modern living rooms or dedicated home theaters. User feedback is largely positive. One reviewer noted that while the speakers are a bit heavy and bulky, they deliver outstanding sound for the price and perform extremely well in a full 7.2.4 surround setup. Another user praised their stylish design and powerful audio, calling them a fantastic value for anyone wanting premium-looking and great-sounding speakers. Thanks for watching our Best Klipsch Floorstanding Speakers Review 2026. If this video helped you choose the perfect tower speakers for your home theater or music setup, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth audio reviews. Drop your favorite Klipsch model in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and deals. See you in the next review.